Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 20, 2023, 4-star Sudoku. Column B and second row, we have 1. So one can't come these cells, one will come in one of these cells, will confirm later. Column B, column D, we have pair numbers 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. Sixth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Fifth row, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in any one of these cells. Column B, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then fourth grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in any one of these cells, will confirm later. Sixth grid, in this cell, we already have 1, 3, 6, 7, 9, 2, 5, 8. Then only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Fifth row, we have 4. Seventh row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Column H, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then sixth grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Fifth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then seventh row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 9. Column E, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. Column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then fifth grid, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 7. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Column B, column C, we have pair numbers 2, 6, 5. So 2, 6, 5 can't come these cells. It will come in any one of these cells, confirm later. Ninth grid, column E, we have pair numbers 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Then seventh grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. Ninth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Column I, column G, we have pair numbers 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column E, third row, we have pair numbers 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Second row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then seventh grid, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. We can confirm 3 also here. Column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then first grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in any one of these cells. We confirm later. Then second row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column J, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Ninth grid, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then seventh grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. The ninth grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Ninth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Ninth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Eighth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column G, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 8th grid, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 5, 9. Column E, column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then third grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in one of these cells. Fourth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Fourth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. then 4 is here. Then fourth row, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column E, we have 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then fifth grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Second grade, and third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 7, 4. Column E, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.